G'day folks, this is a late afternoon, last minute ride. I'm in Melbourne. We were told this arvo we're headed to another lockdown. It's a Friday afternoon. My plan to go riding on the weekend has gone. I thought I'm getting out before the gates close. I've got my brother behind me on his 500. Come out to Gembrook where all the roads and that have been reopened just in the last few weeks after some big bushfires a couple of years ago. So we'll come out just to give it a bit of a look over and see how the tracks have fared. Anderson track, this one is really nice. The surface is just mint on this one. My brother. We've got the mesh on the centres. No buttons, you just talk. It's just great. Let's pick up a few little engine noises here and there, which is pretty cool. Bunyip Ridge track.
It's fabulous. 500 country.
I remember doing a shakedown ride on the Tigers, an APC shakedown ride. We came up this track,
Alright.
fully loaded, fully
everything.
panniers, the whole lot.
How'd we go? Struggled?
I'm not sure we actually made it. I think we might have got stuck on one of those hills back there. They were big bikes, but capable.
Oh yeah. They did it all.
Didn't give us any dramas.
Yeah.
Pop back out on the power lines.
Yeah, I think there's a big hill up here somewhere.
Probably.
Yeah.
Go find it, Pete.
Go find it. It was full of ruts last time I was up here.
Came up here with on Tom's ride. We spent ages on this hill.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, four-wheel drives.
All got the same idea as us.
Yep. Thanks, mate.
This is the hill. This is where I had the drone out, following people up here.
Looks a bit slippery.
It does today, doesn't it?
You go first.
I'll go first. Yeah, it's all fine, Pete, no problem. Plenty of grip. Prados might struggle.
Yeah.
Car coming, Pete.
Roger.
Down, down, down. Whee.
Been good.
Imagine that on a Tiger. Oh, we're done. Folks, I'm going to leave it there. We've had a couple of hours of fun, blew away the cobwebs, love the 500's, love the tracks. Absolutely perfect day for a ride. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.